Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to tan t. ds we have secant of t squared dt. Because if we put this one go in here, we have tan t squared plus 1 we change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify by the square root, and ds tan t we put in here and here. ds we change by this one, 1 plus tan t squared we change secant of t squared. The square root of secant of t squared we have secant of t. We simplify secant of t on numerator and denominator. Secant of t we change 1 over cosine t. This one we change sin t square over cosine t square. Cosine t we simplify. And this one we can write into cosine t over sin t square. Because this one in denominator of denominator, so we put this one go to numerator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equal to sin t. dz we have cosine t dt. This one we have z square cosine t dt we change by dz. The integration of this one we have negative 1 over z, and we put about c. About z that's about sin t. About t that's about this one. So we change t equal to arctan of s. So we put this one go in here. Now let's consider about sine arctan of s. We need to draw about triangle in here. So I will put this one is about alpha. So tan that's about opposite, and opposite we have s divided by 1, that's about adjacent in here. So this one we use about Pythagorean theorem, that's about s squared plus 1 squared. So we just got about this one, but we have sine that means opposite divided by this one. So if we put about sine here, you will have about negative 1 over s divided by the square root of s squared plus 1. And this one will go to numerator. And this is the final answer of the question in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.